So hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So I actually wanted to share a very cool tip with you. You might be not be knowing that there is a built-in browser in VS Code that you can use, right? And it also supports live reloading, right? So how you can use it? Go to the extension tab and search live server here. Make sure you have installed this particular extension here, live server. Uh, then go to the go live option here. Click on this option. A development server will start here, right? Now go to view option here, go to the command palette and search for simple browser, right? Click on this option and now type the URL http://127.0.0.1:5500, right? So the page will open here, right? Now I'm making a new file here, index.html, and I'm writing some HTML here. Right. Okay, so now I'm refreshing it. So as you can see now this page is loading here, right? So what you can do is you can actually place it side by side with the editor, right? So I'm clicking this option here and I'm dragging this particular tab to this section, right? So now whatever you will write here, it will be updated to this browser, right? So I hope you like this video, guys. Meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.